Top 8 best home remedies for foot odor. No person wants smelly feet. It can be embarrassing. The smell does not come from the sweat itself, but it created when mixed with bacteria. This is termed as bromohydrosis in medical terminology. Hyperhidrosis is one of the causes of foot odor, and men will be affected first. In this video you will know about top 8 very simple home remedies to handle foot odor. Number 1. Salt scrub with oils. This remedy is used to clear the dead skin cells on the feet where bacteria can prosper. You should use the pumice stone daily while taking a bath. Mix 3 tablespoons of Epsom salt, 2 teaspoons of olive or jojoba oil and any essential oil like lavender, rosemary or sage oil. Soak your feet in warm water for 15 minutes. Dry your feet completely and then apply the salt scrub. Leave for 5 minutes and rub gently for 10 minutes. Wash with warm water and pat dry. Repeat 3 times a week to clear the foot odor. Number 2. Ginger. Ginger detoxifies the body, fights against the germs. Crush a 2-inch piece of ginger finely. Keep this pulp in gauze and tie tightly. Soak in half cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Use the ginger pulp to massage the feet daily before bed. Repeat nightly to get rid of odor. Number 3. Black tea. It contains tannic acid that has astringent properties which help to contact the body tissues, nourishing the foot glands so that they perspire less. Fill a foot basin with warm water. Add 4 black tea bags and allow it to steep for 10 minutes. Soak your feet in this for 20 to 30 minutes. Take out your feet and dry them thoroughly. Follow this process regularly. Number 4. Radish. Radish contains phosphorus, zinc, vitamin C and certain B vitamins. It has disinfectant properties which plays a key role in preventing the foot odor. Radish cures the skin disorders by preventing the bacteria and other microorganisms to eliminate the foot odor. Cut a green 6 radishes to extract the juice. Mix the juice and warm water in a foot basin. Soak your feet for 20 minutes and then pat dry. Repeat regularly. Number 5. Tea tree oil. This helps with foot odor caused by fungal infection, especially athlete's foot. This can be used on its own or with carrier oil. Fill a foot basin with warm water. Soak feet in this water for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash feet with mild soap and pat dry with clean towel. Dilute 6 drops of tea oil in 1 teaspoon of almond oil and stir well. Apply between the toes and rub gently. After a few minutes, wash this off with warm water. Repeat this 3 times a day. Number 6. Vinegar. Vinegar is acidic in nature and it creates an acidic environment which is not good for bacteria to survive in. However, you may need to use an essential oil to get rid of the vinegar smell after. Take vinegar half cup, warm water 7 to 9 cups, foot bath basin or any big bowl, and essential oil 2 to 5 drops. Fill a foot basin with 9 cups of warm water. Add half cup of either apple cider vinegar or plain vinegar and 5 drops of essential oil to it. Stir it well and soak for 25 minutes and pat dry. Repeat regularly until you get relief from foot odor. Number 7. Boric acid. Boric acid is generally derived from the boron mineral, sodium salts and oxygen, and is used in soaps, antiseptics, wood preservatives, pesticides, etc. It is acidic and mildly toxic. that help to eliminate the bacteria and molds that causing this foot odor. Add half cup of borax and half cup of vinegar to 2 cups of water. Stir it well and wash your shoes in this solution. This is not best for people with sensitivity. Alternatively, just sprinkle some of the powder onto the shoes. Follow this twice a week. Number 8. Baking soda. Here baking soda creates an alkaline environment, neutralize the pH of the skin and sweat that in turn help to clear the bacteria from the body. Pour warm water into a foot bath basin. Add 1/4 cup of baking soda and stir well. Soak feet for 20 minutes. Take your feet out and pat dry. Repeat this process regularly. For more videos, please subscribe our channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. Stay healthy. Thanks for watching.